Hello guys. This is Mananda the Good guy. So we're gonna be ending the year in a good note, guys. We're looking at DXY, guys. So this is how we're going to end the year. Can you please subscribe, like, and share? So we're looking at DXY, guys. So on DXY, I'll go to the weekly time frame. You know, guys. So I hope you end your year on a positive note. You could see how I'm ending mine. So I have the lowest low of the structure that I'm looking at, and this is to be the higher height. And then now, guys, after highlighting my lowest, and okay, we're just gonna highlight the lowest low of the what of the structure. And then I'll come to this level here because I can call it an important level. As you can see what's happening. Again, guys, we had this level here. We should look at it, you know, guys. Be careful when you're looking at levels. We do have this level. So from the weekly, guys, we have to go to what? We have to go to the daily time frame. You see? So this is the daily time frame, guys. So when we are on the daily time frame, we need to look at the structure. For you to look at the structure, guys, you can zoom in, you know. As long as you're having more than 3 touches, that's enough. As you could see here, we have enough touches. And even on the lower low, we have enough touches. And I think we did break those touches. Then we're gonna have the lowest low of the current structure. So from the daily, guys, now we're heading to what? We're heading to the 4 hour. As we go into the 4 hour, guys, you can see what's happening, you know. So the market moves in a good way. You understand, guys? Once you see those things, you can't unsee them, guys. It's man under the gold. You all know me, some of you. So guys, now we are in this level here. As you could see, price went down with an impulse. As price moves, guys, it moves with an impulse, and this was a what? This was a correction, you know. So this is where I basically took my trade, because you know why I take them. I trade the risk entry. So this was the level where I took my what? My risk entry position. Do you get what I'm saying, guys? So we could say from this level, this is where Manando got his entry, with a nice stop loss, and this is where Manando will take his take profit. You understand, guys? You can say a lot about me, but then you can never take my skill. So now we're going to the 1 hour. As we are checking on the 1 hour, you could see what price did, guys. You know, it's wonderful. We have nice touches, and when we come to the lower low, price broke that level. So now we need to have a what? We have a new entry. What type of an entry is this? We call this one the reduced risk entry. The reason we call it the reduced, it's price has confirmed, you know. Price have confirmed what's about to happen. You can just expect a what? A mini correction. When I say a mini correction, guys, I'm talking about price going sideways, you know. Then that's when you can say, oh, right, I can now decide on it. I now know what will happen. You get what I'm saying, guys? That's a correction. Or we can look for a correction which we think it can fit. You understand, guys? So now I'm just talking the forex terms. You understand? But then, guys, I won't be deleting. Let me just show you from this level. We now know where price will do what, where price will go. So this is how it is. Now I know. Oh, okay, price will do this. I know that price can do that. You know. So now, guys, I know the capabilities of what price might do. So now we are having something like this, you know. So this has to be your entry level. If we go to the 1 hour, the M15, I bet you can see a clear correction. Yeah, you're seeing us. So this is on the entry level that we in. Do you get that I'm saying, guys? So with DXY, I'm done. If you didn't understand, guys, I don't know what to say. But then if you didn't understand, make sure you go through this video once again. Okay, this is a correction that I can say I'm having. So I'll put my correction there, go to the 1 hour, just to show you what I meant. I'll put this thing here, and I can just control it to go where? Sideways. Do you understand? So now we're expecting what? We're expecting a correction like this, you know. So for you to confirm your proper entry, wait for something like this. Understand, guys? Even if it doesn't happen, but then a correction will happen, even if it's not a correction like this, but then it will happen. That's what I know. Do you get what I'm saying, guys? If you're failing to understand me, then I don't know. You go to your 2 hour, look at your chart, chill with your friends while you're making money. I hope I was clear on this one, guys. If it happens, someone didn't understand what I was basically saying, guys, you can enroll under my course. You get what I'm saying? So you can have what do you call? You can have a good relationship with me as your mentor, you know, guys. So now we're looking at USD JPY. You get what I'm saying, guys? There's a long way to go. We're now looking at NZD, USD JPY. Sorry, guys, about that. So with USD JPY, I see that we can go to the weekly. Okay, guys, just give me a minute. Sorry about this. I have to answer a call. Sorry about that one, guys. I'm back. As we are on the weekly time frame, we have our highest height, we have our lowest low of the structure, and we have our lowest low of everything, which is the biggest structure. So now, guys, we're gonna be looking at our patterns, you know. So here's a pattern that we have. You see how price moved. But then, as interesting as I always say, guys, we state that we see a nice height there. You know, I call this one a nice height. So, guys, I use zones more to my strategy to see the probability. As you could see here, guys, we had a nice one, but I think price broke that level. You understand? So this is a nice one, guys. This was a nice zone, whatever people can call it. So from the weekly, we run to the what? We run to the daily. As you can see, guys, as I always say, market moves in simple terms: impulse, correction, impulse. You could see that this was a what? This was a nice correction. After each and every time, guys, you see a correction, you need to expect the what? You need to expect another impulse, right? But then this one was interesting. There was what we call patterns inside patterns. When I say patterns inside patterns, I'm talking about such opportunity. As you could see from here going sideways, price had like a double bottom. You can even see it from here. So I would have entered the trade on that level. Why? Because I had the confirmation of the double bottom. And again, guys, here's a structure here. So I'm using structures with inside structure. So in this structure here, guys, you could see what did price do? Simple terms in Forex, price did the break and retest. So according to the strategy that I used, this was supposed to be a third touch, but then it didn't happen, breaking pass. So now we went to the bigger level. As we are in the bigger level, you can see we have 3 touches from where I connected it, first, second, third. So I have 3 touches. So on the highest height, guys, again, I have how many touches? 1, 2. I'm expecting a third touch. But if I don't get a third touch, I'm expecting a what? A double top. So from the daily, guys, I'll be going to the 4 hour. Yo, guys, I don't wanna lie. I'm proud of my skill. I'm proud to see myself doing better. You know, guys, it's all about positive vibes, you know. Okay, again, guys, we have this double top. Nice one. So if price fails, as I said, it happens that price does what? Price fails because of the double top, you understand? So this is a probability, guys. As I always say in my teachings, I always tell you guys about probabilities. As you can see, this was the previous market price. Price failed to break. Price gave us something like this. So if it did on the previous, what gives you the reason that it won't on the current? You know, guys, this is the market. You just have to think, man. Think like the market makers, whatever they are. You see how it is now, guys. So now we're having something like this. So now you have to wait. If price doesn't break this level, retest and come there for the third touch, price will be dropping. So now we're going to play a game, what I call game of preparedness, or game of patience. Okay, let's start. We have first one. That's the first touch that I have. You understand? So that's the first touch that I have. Again, I have the second touch. That's the second touch that I have. I'm expecting the what? Third touch. So if the third touch that I'm expecting doesn't happen, we're going to play with what? Double top. This is going to be your second top. We understand? First top, second top. You kill it. See how simple it is? Once you see those things, you can't unsee them. As you can see, price is now doing what I want it to do, you know? So it means when the situation is like this, one has to fail. So we're gonna be chilling here and asking each other what will fail. I feel like the triple top will fail. Do you understand? So I have to even remove these. So now I feel like as I went to the lower time frame, I've seen on how price is deciding. And price is deciding in a proper way, you understand? So this is how it is. You get what I'm saying? This is how it is. So from that level, I feel like we're gonna be dropping, guys. You get what I'm saying? And most of the people tend to say, yo, Manando, don't you use the correlation, whatever. Guys, how you trade is not the same way I trade. I can't use correlation when I can see price. You understand? I've been taught on how to read price. Why do I need correlations? That if NASDAQ is buying, what is doing this? Nah, I don't do that, guys. So if that's how you trade, keep up the strategy, keep using it, you know. So on this one, guys, I'm expecting a drop to this level. So on this one, guys, I won't go deep. I'm just gonna end it on the 2 hour or maybe the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. You can see how it will play out, guys. I'm under the goat, guys. So now it's 2 down. We left with how many? Let me see. Maybe another 2. Let's end the year in a positive way, guys. You know? Let's end the year in the best way. Let's end the year. Like, guys, the year has to end in the most, like, you know, guys, 2022, it's all about you. 2022, it's all about believing in yourself. I always tell a lot of you guys, chase the skill. This is the last video that I'm doing, my YouTube video of 2021. And I guess this has to be the best video out of them all, guys, you know. So now, guys, I'm gonna be analyzing another 2, then I'm done. Like, always know, guys, it's possible. If Dr. Martin can do it, why can't you do it? If Stylish Keys can do it, if FX Gold can do it, just believe in yourself. If Manando can do it, you can also do it. If Abe can do it, if NASDAQ Ninja, shout out to all traders out there. You know, guys, you just have to be positive about everything. Give yourself time. It's all about you. 2022, it's all about believing in yourself. Okay, guys, so let's see. Let's see now which pair we're going to. Let's see which pair we're going to. Okay. So now, guys, we're gonna be going to, let's see. Let's go to, I see a lot of you nowadays are trading BTC USD. BTC USD, where's BTC USD? Let's look at the future of Bitcoin. I had it nice, you see, guys, so I'm just gonna remove my analysis. You get what I'm saying, guys? I'm just gonna remove my analysis. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove my analysis. So, guys, here's BTC USD. It's my first time uploading a video on how I analyze it. So here's BTC USD, guys. The lowest low that we have, it was this one. You get what I'm saying, guys? That was the lowest low. The highest height that I have, it's here. The highest height. And then the lowest, the market price is it. So now, guys, I'm gonna go to the daily time frame, you know. So as I'm in the daily time frame, you know how I do with price, how I work out the price. So I see the market in this condition, guys. This is the daily. I have to highlight my important level. The reason why price showed that it was pushing high here, it was because of what? It was because of the double bottom, you know. So we know, we have seen it, you know, we can never unsee it. So now we have this height again, guys. So the market has to do what? The market has to push to that level. So I'll go to the what now? I'll go to the 1 hour. As you can see, the 1 hour is promising, guys. As we have this level, price did break that level, you know. So when price breaks that level, it made a retest on the level. So with the future of BTC USD, guys, if you and my friends, I will tell you guys, you know what? Let's invest in this thing because it's about to go to its highest height, you know. As I said, 2022 is the year. So guys, wish yourself everything possible, you know, guys, because same structure that I see is the same structure which happened. Price reached this level before, and now it came back. If you were to fit in here, you'll see that it is the same thing. But then it can't be picture perfect, guys, as I always say. So this one was BTC USD. We started with DXY. We made USD JPY. Now we are on BTC USD. Now we are left with two pairs. Let's see what people love the most. Let me go for NAS100. I know that people love this thing, you know. So guys, I had a positions on NASDAQ, as you can see. This was my setup. I had an entry there. That was my take profit. So there isn't much to be said about this pair. But then when it comes to NASDAQ, we can start on the 4 hour. Not to waste our time. So this is the lowest low that we have, guys. And it has what? It has the highest height that we have. And again, guys, as I said, I have levels, you know. So this is one of the most productive levels that I have. You get what I'm saying, guys? So once again, guys, I have this level here. I have this level. Where is it? I have this level here. And again, I have this level here. And price is showing that it might break that level. I'll go to the 2 hour. Okay, price is still tweaking, you know. Price is still dancing around. But then, guys, we did break that price. So what I can say, it's our next direction on NASDAQ. You know, I'm the person who trades level most of the time. You know how is it, guys? So this is our first take profit, you know. And if doesn't move out, guys, I'll be owing everyone a free class because I know I'm the best and I know I'm good at this. So go to the M15. As you can see, as I said, guys, you're selling in this thing. The M15 is already prepared. When we reach this level, guys, we're gonna be ready with what? With more sales. And again, I go to the M15 just for confirmation. Guys, 0. So as we have it like this, guys, we use bar pattern from the height going low. So this is the impulse I'm expecting. So guys, we can go to the 1 hour, hold our position. It's me, man, under the gold, guys. I'm about to do the last one of the year. I don't know which one I can do, but let's go for the Euro USD as we're closing the year, guys. You know how happy I am making this video, guys. Like when you do something that you love, you tend to be happy. You understand? So this one is the last one. Yes, I love you all. As always, lowest low, highest height. And then important levels, which is this one. Understand, guys? So before I go to the daily, like I see nothing here. So I have to go to the daily so I could see maybe price did something, you know. This is how it is. So for me to decide on this level, we have first touch, second touch. Okay. Or maybe like this. And then, guys, we do what? We up it up again, you see? So perfect. So now I can see what was the reason of price. Sure. Yeah. Yanas. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I could do something. as you can see, guys, we're on the daily time frame, you know. So on the daily time frame, we have these, and like when we have these now. So we can see the future of, sorry about that, I received a call. We have the future of what? We have the future of this pair. So we're gonna be reaching that level. You see, guys, so I'm gonna go to the 4-hour. And now it's about time to go and enjoy, guys. I wish, so those who be watching the videos, watch it the good way, understand, and like make the most out of it. You understand? So I just did it, guys, out of love, you know. So now, guys, we have to be waiting for price, you know. So my take profit target number 1, it will have to be here. So guys, as I'm closing the video, or just close on the 4-hour, there's some things that I still must do. But then we're closing the year in a positive note, guys. That's going to be our take profit number 1. I wish everyone a good year next year, guys. I wish that you can believe in trading. I wish you can never stop believing. Like, I wish everything for you guys, you know. So those who have questions, you can ask on the comment section, guys. It's me, your little brother, man under the goat. I'm still young, guys. Shout out to everyone who be watching the video. You know, I have a good way of ending the year. So I have to stop the record.